Mathematics 3. Place value and value of decimals. Comparing and ordering decimals. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to determine the place value and value of decimal numbers. Compare and order decimals through the hundredths place. Look at the number on the screen. We read it as 53 and 84 hundredths, or 53.84. We will use a place value chart to help us read and determine the value of each digit. The place value of the digit 5 is tens and has a value of for 5 tens or 50. The place value of the digit 3 is ones and has a value of 3 ones or 3. The place value of the digit 8 is tenths and has a value of 8 tenths or 0.8. The place value of digit 4 is hundredths and has a value of 4 hundredths or 0.04. Here's another example. We have 7 and 29 hundredths or 7.29. The value of 7 is 7 ones or 7. The digit 7 is in the ones place. The value of 2 is 2 tenths or 0.2. The digit 2 is in the tenths place. The value of 9 is 9 hundredths or 0.09. The digit 9 is in the hundredths place. So, we read this number as 7 and 29 hundredths. To represent the period, we can also use the word point instead of and. We can say 7.29. Comparing decimals. Example 1. Let us compare 0.5 and 0.50. Let us compare the numbers in the ones place first. The ones digits are the same. Let's move to the tenths digit. The tenths digits are also the same. Therefore, 0.5 and 0.50 are equal. We will write this comparison using the equal sign. 0.5 is equal to 0.50. Here's another example. Which is bigger, 0.7 or 0.70? As you can see, the ones, tenths, and hundredths digits are all the same. Therefore 0.7 and 0.70 are equal. We can say that 0.7 is equal to 0.70. Note that when 0 is placed after the last digit to the right of a decimal point, the value of the number does not change. For our third example, let's find out which is bigger between 0.4 and 0.06. Compare the tenths digits of the given numbers. Since 4 is greater than 0, then 0.4 is greater than 0.06. We can say that 0.4 is greater than 0.06 or 0.06 is less than 0.4. Now, let's identify which is smaller between 1.3 and 1.28. Let us compare the place value of each digit from left to right. The ones digits are the same. Therefore, we have to compare the tenths digits. Since the tenths digits in 1.3 is greater than the tenths digit in 1.28, then 1.28 is less than 1.3 or 1.3 is greater than 1.28. Let us write the numbers in such a way that the decimal points are aligned. If the digits in the tenths place are of the same value, compare the digits in the hundredths place. 5 hundredths is greater than 2 hundredths. So, 0.954 is greater than 0.928. Note that when comparing decimals, we can make use of the place value chart. First, align the decimal points. Then, compare the greatest place value. If they are same, compare the next place value. The number with the first greater digit is the greater decimal. Arranging decimals. Let us compare the digits in the ones place. 5.03 is the greatest decimal. 2.75 is the second greatest. Next, consider the tenths in 0.78 and 0.45. 7 tenths is greater than 4 tenths. So, 0.78 is greater than 0.45.